Scenic River Cruises, a comprehensive guide. River cruises offer a unique and immersive way to explore some of the world's most beautiful landscapes, historic cities, and cultural treasures. Unlike ocean cruises, river cruises provide an intimate experience, allowing travelers to get closer to the heart of the destinations they visit. This guide aims to provide an in-depth look at scenic river cruises, including the best times to cruise, where to find them, pricing, and practical advice for making the most of your river cruise experience. Why choose a river cruise? Intimate experience. River cruises typically have fewer passengers compared to ocean cruises, offering a more personalized and intimate experience. The smaller size of river cruise ships allows them to navigate narrow waterways and dock in the heart of cities, giving passengers easy access to local attractions. Scenic views. One of the main attractions of river cruising is the constantly changing scenery. From picturesque villages and vineyards to historic castles and bustling cities, river cruises provide a front-row seat to some of the most beautiful landscapes in the world. Cultural immersion. River cruises often include guided tours and excursions that provide a deeper understanding of the local culture, history, and cuisine. These experiences can range from walking tours of historic sites to wine tastings at local vineyards. Best times to cruise. The best time to embark on a scenic river cruise depends on the destination and the type of experience you are looking for. Here are some general guidelines for popular river cruise destinations. Europe. Spring, April to June. Spring is a fantastic time to cruise Europe's rivers. The weather is mild, and the landscapes are in full bloom, especially along rivers like the Rhine and Danube. This is also a great time to visit cities and towns before the peak summer crowds arrive. Summer, July to August. Summer is the peak season for river cruising in Europe. The weather is warm and sunny, making it ideal for outdoor activities and sightseeing. However, this is also the busiest time, so expect higher prices and more tourists at popular destinations. Fall, September to October. Fall is another excellent time to cruise Europe's rivers. The weather is still pleasant, and the changing colors of the foliage add a beautiful backdrop to the journey. Fall is also the harvest season, so it's a great time to enjoy local wine and cuisine. Winter, November to March. Winter river cruises in Europe are less common but can be magical, especially around the holiday season. Christmas market cruises along the Rhine and Danube are particularly popular, offering a festive atmosphere and the chance to explore charming markets in various towns and cities. Asia. Winter, November to February. Winter is the best time to cruise rivers in Asia, such as the Mekong and the Irrawaddy. The weather is cooler and more comfortable, making it ideal for exploring the region's cultural and historical sites. Spring, March to April. Spring is also a good time for river cruises in Asia, with warm but not overly hot weather. This season offers the opportunity to witness local festivals and events. North America. Spring, April to June. Spring is a wonderful time to cruise North America's rivers, such as the Mississippi and the Columbia. The weather is mild, and the landscapes are lush and green. This is also a good time to spot wildlife along the riverbanks. Fall, September to October. Fall is another prime time for river cruising in North America. The changing colors of the foliage create a stunning backdrop, and the weather is generally pleasant. This is also the harvest season, making it a great time to enjoy local food and wine. Popular river cruise destinations. Europe. Rhine River. The Rhine River flows through several countries, including Switzerland, Germany, and the Netherlands. A cruise along the Rhine offers breathtaking views of medieval castles, charming villages, and lush vineyards. Highlights include the Rhine Gorge, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and cities like Cologne and Strasbourg. Danube River. The Danube River is one of the most famous river cruise destinations in Europe, flowing through 10 countries, including Germany, Austria, Hungary, and Romania. A Danube River cruise provides the opportunity to explore historic cities like Vienna, Budapest, and Bratislava, as well as stunning natural landscapes like the Wachau Valley. Seine River. The Seine River flows through the heart of France, offering a scenic journey through picturesque countryside and historic towns. A Seine River cruise often includes visits to Paris, Normandy, and the charming villages of Burgundy. Douro River. The Douro River in Portugal is known for its stunning landscapes, including terraced vineyards and dramatic cliffs. A Douro River cruise provides the chance to explore the rich cultural heritage of the region, including visits to Porto and the Douro Valley wine region. Asia. Mekong River. The Mekong River flows through several countries in Southeast Asia, including Vietnam, Cambodia, and Laos. A Mekong River cruise offers a unique glimpse into the daily life and culture of the region, with highlights including the temples of Angkor, floating markets, and traditional villages. Irrawaddy River. The Irrawaddy River in Myanmar, Burma, is a less traveled but incredibly rewarding river cruise destination. A cruise along the Irrawaddy provides the opportunity to explore ancient temples, bustling markets, and the vibrant culture of Myanmar. North America. Mississippi River. The Mississippi River is one of the most iconic rivers in the United States, flowing through 10 states from Minnesota to Louisiana. A Mississippi River cruise offers a journey through American history and culture, with highlights including the vibrant cities of New Orleans and Memphis, as well as the scenic landscapes of the Mississippi Delta. Columbia River. The Columbia River flows through the Pacific Northwest, offering stunning views of rugged cliffs, lush forests, and cascading waterfalls. A Columbia River cruise provides the opportunity to explore the region's natural beauty and rich cultural heritage, including visits to Portland and the Columbia River Gorge. Pricing. The cost of a river cruise can vary widely depending on the destination, the length of the cruise, the level of luxury, and the time of year. Here is a general overview of what you can expect to pay for a river cruise. Budget cruises. Budget river cruises typically start at around $200 to $300 per person per night. These cruises offer basic accommodations and amenities, but still provide an enjoyable and scenic experience. Budget cruises are often available during the shoulder seasons, spring and fall, and may include fewer inclusions, such as excursions and beverages. Mid-range cruises. Mid-range river cruises generally cost between $300 and $500 per person per night. These cruises offer more comfortable accommodations, a wider range of amenities, and more inclusions, such as guided tours and some meals and beverages. Mid-range cruises are a popular choice for travelers looking for a good balance of quality and value. Luxury cruises. Luxury river cruises can cost upwards of $500 to $1,000 or more per person per night. These cruises offer high-end accommodations, gourmet dining, personalized service, and a wide range of inclusions, such as premium excursions, all meals and beverages, and onboard entertainment. Luxury cruises are ideal for travelers looking for a top-notch, all-inclusive experience. Special offers and discounts. Many river cruise companies offer special deals and discounts throughout the year. These can include early booking discounts, last-minute deals, and special promotions for specific itineraries or departure dates. It is worth keeping an eye out for these offers to find a good deal on your river cruise. Advice for a memorable river cruise. Choosing the right cruise. When selecting a river cruise, consider the following factors. Destination. Choose a destination that interests you and offers the type of experiences you are looking for, whether it's exploring historic cities, enjoying scenic landscapes, or immersing yourself in local culture. Length of cruise. River cruises can range from a few days to several weeks. Consider how much time you have and what you want to see and do when choosing the length of your cruise. Cruise line. Different cruise lines offer different levels of service, amenities, and inclusions. Research the various cruise lines to find one that matches your preferences and budget. Time of year. Consider the best time to visit your chosen destination, taking into account factors like weather, crowds, and special events. Packing tips. Packing for a river cruise requires a bit of planning, as space in cabins can be limited. Here are some tips to help you pack efficiently. Comfortable clothing. Pack casual, comfortable clothing for daytime activities and excursions. Include layers to accommodate changing weather conditions. Dressier attire. Some river cruises have dress codes for dinner or special events. Pack a few dressier outfits if needed. Comfortable shoes. Bring comfortable walking shoes for exploring ports and participating in excursions. Essentials. Pack essentials like sunscreen, a hat, sunglasses, and any medications you may need. Don't forget chargers for your electronic devices. Travel documents. Make sure to bring your passport, any required visas, and travel insurance documents. Onboard etiquette. Be considerate. River cruise ships are smaller and more intimate, so be considerate of your fellow passengers. Keep noise levels down in public areas and be mindful of shared spaces. Follow guidelines. Adhere to the cruise line's guidelines and policies, including dress codes, dining times, and excursion schedules. Engage with staff. The crew and staff are there to enhance your experience. Don't hesitate to ask for assistance or recommendations. Making the most of excursions. Plan ahead, review the excursion options in advance and decide which ones interest you the most. Some excursions may require reservations, so book early if needed. Stay hydrated. Bring a refillable water bottle to stay hydrated during excursions, especially in warm weather. Take your time, enjoy the sights and experiences at a leisurely pace. River cruises are meant to be relaxing, so don't feel rushed. Capturing memories. Bring a camera. Whether you prefer a smartphone or a dedicated camera, make sure to bring a device to capture the stunning scenery and memorable moments. Document your journey. Keep a travel journal or use a travel app to document your experiences and thoughts during the cruise. Share your experience. Consider sharing your river cruise adventure with friends and family through social media or a blog. Scenic River Cruises offer a unique and immersive way to explore some of the world's most beautiful and culturally rich destinations. From the historic cities of Europe to the vibrant cultures of Asia and the stunning landscapes of North America, there is a river cruise for every type of traveler. By choosing the right cruise, packing wisely, and making the most of your onboard and onshore experiences, you can create unforgettable memories on your river cruise adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Ni655 family. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the content, and make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more awesome videos.